So along with the junkyard parts, we have a few junkyard parts outside. These are the new parts right here, the new starter and then the new battery terminal that y'all got to get if you crash. Get this every time if you crash. So let me just open it. Okay. So here's the new one for $20 online. Highly recommend. If you get any little bumps, if you hit any big potholes with the tires, this is what you got to get. If your car does not want to start after you hit a pothole, or you have a little fender bender, or you back up into something, this is it right here. I made a video, I think 3-4 years ago on the same thing right here. It's the same formula I've been doing for 3-4 years. Listen, you listen. If not, good luck to you. But I'm trying to show you guys. After 3 years, I can still never open this. Alright, so this is it right there. So when you get into a crash, see that piece right there? It pops out. And when that pops out, there's not enough power going to your starter or to the front of the car. That's why your dash lights be flickering, and then it stays on strong, and then it dies and flickers because of this right here. I'm talking too much. Got to make these videos at least 3 minutes so that I can get benefit, just like you guys get benefit. This is the starter. Now, like I said, for the starters, I'm not the type where I just keep on cranking my car, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off. Once that car is on, we're going to keep it on until I got to go into that store for 30, 40 minutes. But here's the starter that the dealership be charging you $400 or $500 that we get for $50, and it's the exact same thing. Even if it's a Ram remanufactured, I'll still take it for the $45.50. And this for sure looks Ram. But all brand new parts in there. No shaking. We'll go from there. It says, I said Ram, but this shit look brand new. It's just shit getting dirty all the time. Alright, I'm about to put the starter back in. So you guys saw, if you crash, you get this. And then if your car's just not starting,